It has already been a ceremony for me to ask the DPWH what is the status of the Panguil Bay Bridge. And I'd like to ask that again, because I know this time the answer will be good news for us in the province of Lanao del Norte. So, Mr. Chair, I'd like to ask Secretary Bodoan, please give us the status of the Panguil Bay Bridge, and can we expect it to be completed and fully operational either in 2024 or 2025?
Thank you for that, Your Honor. Panguil Bay Bridge is a major project under this administration that has to be completed within the year. Your Honor, the status of the bridge is, I have been informed that it's already about 98% complete. It's just minor works that has to be done, and we have already forwarded a invitation of the President for the inauguration of this bridge. And we're expecting that anytime soon in September. I'm awaiting for the confirmation, Your Honor, but definitely within September, I think, and in collaboration with the Ambassador of Korea. And we have already made the arrangements, Your Honor. So that is the status now of Panguil Bay Bridge, the most awaited bridge project that will connect Lanao del Norte and Misamis Occidental, Your Honor.